Before the sun was fully awake, the birds were. One by one, they started. First, a single note, clear and brave in the dark. Then another answered from the next tree, and another from the roof. It wasn't just noise, it was a conversation. The small ones chirped fast, like they were sharing all the dreams they had in the night. The older ones sang slow, deep notes, like they were telling everyone, "We're still here. The world is still here." A young sparrow on a low branch listened and didn't sing at first. He thought his voice was too small to matter in such a big choir. But then the wind moved through the leaves, and for one quiet second, all the other birds paused. In that pause, he sang. One tiny, shaky, perfect note. And the whole morning answered him back. The sun came up a little brighter after that,